day one, we go through the rainforest. How beautiful is that with the mist? I mean, everybody was in awe of the mist.
It's very beautiful. I love to see
just like the drips off the leaves and all of the beautiful little flowers. It's just so peaceful and so incredibly amazing.
Just trekking through the rainforest was so beautiful.
It was like walking through a magical jungle.
Every time you stop and you look in one direction, you look in the other direction, you look up, there's another amazing thing to see.
Every one of his guys, they're just great.
I'm feeling fantastic. Made it to base camp at the end of day one, and what an amazing experience today has been.
Looking forward to the next stage tomorrow, and then hopefully getting to the top.